Good morning from the Handmade Highland workshop. How are we today? Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to sublimate the Creatimo tote bags. It's a quick tutorial. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm measuring this in order to get my template size for Photoshop or whatever design software that you're using. So because of the handles being out with the bag on this occasion, I wouldn't actually suggest doing anything that went above here. So in this case, we are looking at 40 centimeters and no higher than 16 centimeters. So let's take that back to the design software and have a look at what we can put on here. Okay, so we're back over at the heat press and I have popped some repositionable spray on the graphic. This is the repositionable spray that I use. It is fantastic and it lasts forever. If I can find some on Amazon, I'll pop the link in the description below. Okay, so the reason why I love repositionable spray is you can pick up and put down your graphic as much as you want. So you don't like where you put it, you just pick it up and put it back down again. Okay, so at the moment, as you can see, we have no graphic in the space above here because of the hanging tags, and we have nothing that goes beyond the seams on either side of the press. So we pop a bit of protective paper over to protect your heat press. Okay, so we are in the heat press and we're going to go for 190 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds. This may vary depending on your heat press. Some heat presses may be longer, some heat presses may be shorter. Okay, so that was a medium to heavy pressure. Protective paper. Now you don't want to reuse your protective paper because it can transfer onto later items. Now just lift it up slowly. There we are. That's your bag. Ready to go. So that's the bag all made up and I'll take you in for a close-up. Look at that. Now I forgot to lint roll, which is really important, so I managed to get a bit of fluff stuck right here. My fault, not the blank's fault. How beautiful is that? Okay, now that was how to sublimate on the Creatimo tote bags. I will drop a link where you can buy the blank in the description. If you'd liked my tutorial, please consider dropping me a wee like and subscribe. Until the next time, love from the Highlands. Mwah!